So boys and girls, here we are in a air raid shelter, an very old air raid shelter. Looks like it just is one big sort of square really, doesn't it? Yeah. Concrete blocks, so... Yeah, they did, didn't they? Pretty featureless by the looks, but... And what these rooms were. Nothing. It's another old line. Just a short one today. We went one for the road. One for the road. We went to get in a flooded mine. What we didn't realise, it was a flooded stope. So we need wetsuits for it. So, that's where we came in. Christ, look at this. Good God, the old World War II, yeah. I don't know any history on it. I should imagine, yes. Yeah, it's got to be. Thinking where we are.
Logically, what else could it be?
Look at this old cables.
Yeah.
Look at it. Look how eaten through it is. Let's go and have a look. Do each one. So yeah, boys and girls, this is a bit of an awkward get into actually, but this is have you noticed how it's sloping?
Yes. Into the belly of the beast.
Looks like it's two pretty much circular, square...
Oh look, here's a toilet.
Where?
Look, at the door, ladies. See?
Oh yeah. Look at that, boys and girls, ladies. Mark spotted that. Although, and that says ladies as well. I can't see anything that looks like a toilet unless they just had cans. What did they call those? Nissan tins or something?
Piss pots.
Piss pots, yeah. That's a different line, isn't it? That's
that walking crowd out.
Eh?
That walking crowd down here during the war.
Yeah, I wonder what all these... Well, this is concrete to hold these metal posts up, but what for? I have no idea. So that just ties up with where we were. There's that, whatever that was. So let's go back to the left. There's not much to this, but it's an air raid shelter. It's an old World War II air raid shelter.
On the ground, so.
Yeah, nice and cool on a hot day. Oi! Yeah, bike wheel, boys and girls. Anything there? Oh wow. Oh, that was probably that other entrance. Yeah, so it's very dippy down, isn't it?
Yeah.
More like toilets.
Thinking all being crammed out there when they were bombing the city.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Yeah. It's just a maze. It's just a square. Maze of tunnels. Yeah. More to it than meets the eye, isn't it? Let's try and find some history on it. We haven't got any history on this, boys and girls. Oh, that's where we were.
Oh yeah.
So, let's go this way then. No, I haven't seen any videos of this. Oh yeah. There's that person. Yeah. Go down a minute. Let's do this one. Oh, that's nasty. Really is quite a maze, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lots of lights. I think this possibly. And on it goes. On and on. On and on, boys and girls. Underground. Nice and cool. Oh, I think we were just in this part, weren't we? Yeah. That's it then. What's that? Yeah. And right. Well, it's a little trip underground. Only a little one. So it's nice to get out of the sun actually. Oh, we didn't go up that one. Yes, we did. Yeah. Ah, the old drain pipe. No graffiti. No. I'm surprised at. Should be, I think, the next left. Did we? We did, didn't we? Yeah. Yeah, I think we did. Yeah.
That's a good marker point.
Huh?
That's a good marker point.
Ah, that's why it's there, isn't it?
Yeah.
There we go, boys and girls. Quick trip into an old air raid shelter. See you on the next one. Buzzy buzz.